Good afternoon, this is my Shaman Oracle reading for this new week. Today is Monday, and today I'm reading for Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and Cancer, and this reading is for Cancer. Welcome, Cancer. The reading starts with the magic of the Unicorns Oracle, and the card that came out for you is the Divine Potential. And the divine potential is about fulfilling your destiny and to be all that you can be. This is a card of destiny. So before you build a house, an architect needs to draw up a blueprint of the best possible building that can be constructed in the space and the conditions which are available. So in exactly the same way, your higher self guides you and so draws up a blueprint of the greatest potential for your incarnation. And this blueprint is held by your guardian angel and deposited in your earth star chakra. So when you receive the card in the reading, you are advised to look carefully at your life. It suggests there are gifts, talents, and aspects of yourself still to be explored and activated. Are you doing the best you can? Are you living a little life when your divine plan is to live instead a big life? Are there any areas of your life that you could develop more? Do you have special qualities waiting to emerge? It is a time to explore your hopes, your dreams, and also your visions. What would you love to do in your life? What excites you? Your guidance is to expand your unconsciousness, and the plan for your life may be bigger than you might realize. So when a caterpillar feels the call, it builds a cocoon around itself and then allows the divine energy within it to effect a transformation. And in the same way, a metamorphosis is taking place within you right now. So ask your unicorn to touch you with its horn, for it is time to emerge and spread your etheric wings. So prepare to fly. The Golden Future Oracle deck is also a new deck. And out came nature, and nature is to tune into the natural world. And it is foretold that in the golden future coming up, everyone will have their 12 fifth dimensional chakras open and active. The silver earth star chakra below our feet contains 33 chambers that are tuned into the natural world. So when everyone has anchored this chakra, all of humanity will be connected to Gaia. For the first time in eons, we will leave golden footsteps as we walk lightly on our beautiful planet. Everyone will love and respect trees, those wise, sentient beings that provide food and shelter and keep records of local history. We will revere the forests which are storing the wisdom of the universe until we are ready to access everything. We will enjoy the flowers, the greenery, the waters, and the birds, and the nature world will embrace us in peace and healing. We will also recognize and honor the elementals who keep our planet green, healthy, and clean. And they will respond by helping us in unimaginable ways. In the golden future, we humans, elementals, and the angelic realms will co-create a paradise here on earth. There is guidance. This card is a reminder to love and to honor the nature kingdom. So tread lightly on the land and leave beautiful golden footsteps wherever you walk. And remember that whatever you give to nature is returned to you multiplied. You may have drawn this card or gotten this card in the reading because you have a deep and loving connection to the earth and the natural world. And in this case, communicate with the Archangel Purlimiak, the wonderful blue-green Archangel who oversees the natural world. His name is Purlimiak. Because of free will on earth, the angel cannot act without any human permission, so ask him to help you and protect the plants, the trees, the rivers, and the land itself, and tell him what is needed. Your intercession will be of great help to him in his mission, and your reward will be an enrichment of your heart center. The Medicine Woman card is your body's power, and it is about your body is yours, so celebrate your temple. I am irresistible strength, the doorway to your soul. I am your temple, your place of power, and your loyal messenger. A woman's body is a complete mystery, is the message, a world of its own, sequenced according to its monthly cycle, and blood. It experiences powerful phases throughout its life: adolescence, maternity, breastfeeding, menopause. The female body embraces the tumult of pleasure and emotions. Object of desire or a powerful ace of seduction. Throughout time it has been disgraced or adorned, bettered or worshipped. So reappropriating your body is a priority. Your body is yours. There's guidance. Your life stories, they have made you who you are. Your body carries the memory of taboos as well as pleasures. You have probably experienced the power of your body and released through orgasm and giving birth. So this card invites you to love your body resolutely and reappropriate it. Do you know it well? It is time to trust in your body and reconnect with your uterus, your seat of power. And be sure you are truly on the side of love, banishing all too often negative judgments. Now do the awakening your gift, saying that you are beautiful, awaken your unknown riches, the power that lives inside each cell of your body, the life flowing through you and carrying pleasure and vitality. So do this sensory practice. Take a moment to connect with your feelings through spontaneous dancing, becoming aware of your body, then call upon the inner knowing that comes from feeling. What do you need? Explore and let yourself be guided. Each new space of freedom gives you new energy and self-love. Glitter with all your sensory majesty and welcome your body. And plan time for a massage or a bath or lovemaking or another fulfilling sensory experience. And the good tarot card that came out for you is the Messenger of Water. And this Messenger of Water is about romantic attraction, chivalry, admiration, seeing the best in others, heightened emotional awareness, a call to fall in love with yourself. Say this: I need to look for the best in others and honor it even when it seems a challenge to do so. My attractions, they stem from my self-love and the knowledge that I am a part of all love, which takes many forms, each exquisite in its own way. I can have what I desire. There is no need for jealousy, anger, resentment, or fear when I am love, and love flows into me powerfully. The Goddess Temple card that came out for you is Artha, and Artha relates to the goddesses of the wheel in this deck, and she brings you the reawakening of the senses and spirit, protection, growth, useful springtime energy, vibrant dynamics, awareness of the creative and destructive power of fire, and how to use it in appropriate ways. And the last card is also a new deck called Astrology of You and Me Oracle deck. It has different subjects for every zodiac sign, from the boss to the husband to the friend and so forth. And we are starting with the bosses. So, of course, for Cancer is coming up the Cancer boss. And we learn more about it right now. The strength of the Cancer boss is that this boss is easy, low-key, and enthusiastic. The weaknesses are that a Cancer boss can be very demanding when expecting particulars. The interactive style of a Cancer boss is persuasive with a display of emotional empathy. The Cancer boss is extremely particular about how things should be done. So Cancer bosses, they are very demanding by trying to stay low-key. A Cancer boss expects the employees to understand the wishes of their boss and even anticipate such wishes. What counts most for the Cancer boss is having everyone in the team on the same emotional wavelength. So a Cancer boss does not like any trouble and instead wants things to run smoothly. It is a matter of fact for the Cancer boss, and this needs to be understood and not be questioned by anyone in the team. That was the reading for you, Cancer. Maybe you liked it. I do thank you for listening, wishing you a good start into this new week, and I do wish you a wonderful day today. Take care and goodbye.